Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka. Kenyans on social media ni macokia kiao with the wife of the late elder who collapsed kanitha-ini kuria Ruiru na arakorwo akihuruka live on camera. Family ya retired elder Engineer Kenneth Kung'u Wainaina ithiete na mbere na kucakaya na kiha kiingi na maithori gikuo kia elder uyu. His dear wife Mama Paula left Kenyans on social media heartbroken ni undu wa ciugo iria agikorwo akiaria riria agikorwo agicakaya muthuri wake, akiuga and I quote her words, "My dearest friend and love, we have walked an incredible journey together through thick and thin." Elder uyu arahurukire na miaka 67 na ciana ciake during his final journey ni ciugete uria their dad was a loving father and also a loving man. Mutumia wake agikira ciugo icio mukonde, akiuga ati muthenya umwe wa muthenya ni ariragiria muno gukahikio ni muthuri wina ngari, na riria cemanirie na late husband uyu wake her wish came true. Akiuga together with her late husband they have traveled across the country, tondu muthuri wake endaga riria aritaya kana akinya kuritaya agakorwo tu agithie tuthabari na mutumia wake. Akiuga she will miss her children calling him daddy and also great grandchildren kumwita guka. Mutumia uyu wake akionania kieha kiingi na maithori agicakaya muthuri wake uria gikuo giake girakorirwo gigicapture on live camera, kuona akicollapse in church akiaddress muingi ni undu urakoragwo ukibroadcastwo nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, na ni video ithiete na mbere na gutambio muno. No wa Kenya ni mathiete na mbere na kuonania maithori mao na kieha kiao makiria kuri mutumia na ciana na also grandchildren cia retired elder Engineer Kenneth Kung'u Wainaina arahuruka kwega kuraga.